We are here at Hakahana informal settlement in Katutura, where a house burned to ashes early this morning. One of the house occupants tells us the story.
It
all happened at 4 o'clock in the morning and we lost all our assets. I was just alerted by the smell of the smoke, and when I woke up, the house was on fire. We couldn't get anything as everything happened so fast. So we just woke up and ran out. Now we are homeless and we need help.
One of the house occupants, who was an entrepreneur, he tells us that he has now lost his business as well as his home.
Every time I save my money, I put in a can. Every time I put it in a can, then I write down how much did I make for a day, and I just put it in the can, to be safe. And I hide it very safely. It's only this fire who let me lose everything, but I know it's maybe 50,000 around something there, and my stock was around 7,000 that I bought in.
Well, a family close to 30 people have now been left homeless as everything they had burned to ashes. It still remains a mystery what caused the fire, but the family believes it could have been an electric shock. Aaron Mushaukwa for the news on 1.